Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota RAV4 maintenance light. First, get into your vehicle and turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure your odometer is showing the total mileage, not the trip A or trip B readings. This is a crucial first step to ensure the process works correctly for you. Next, turn the ignition completely off. Locate the trip meter reset button on your dashboard, usually near the odometer display. Press and hold this button firmly. You'll need to keep it pressed for the next step, so make sure you have a good grip. This action prepares the system for the reset sequence. While still holding the trip meter reset button, turn the ignition back to the on position. Do not start the engine. You will see the maintenance light begin to flash. Continue holding the button until the light stops flashing and completely goes out. This usually takes about 10 to 15 seconds. Patience is key here. Once the maintenance light has gone out, you can release the trip meter reset button. Now, start your engine to confirm that the maintenance light remains off. If it does, you've successfully reset the system. If the light reappears, simply repeat these steps from the beginning. You've done a great job.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.